Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tooled. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all the car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics out there. We'll be diving into the world of vehicle diagnostics with the FOXWELL NT909 scan tool. If you're tired of guessing what's wrong with your car, this tool is a game changer. Stay tuned to find out how it can help you save time and money on car repairs. Alright, let's kick things off by unboxing the FOXWELL NT909 scan tool. When you get your hands on this device, you'll find it well packed in a sturdy carrying case. The case is not only a convenient storage solution but also provides protection. Inside the case, you'll find the scan tool itself, the user manual, an OBD-I cable, and a USB cable for updates. Now, let's talk about getting started. The FOXWELL NT909 is designed to be user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. To begin, simply plug the OBD-I cable into your vehicle's OBD-I port. This is typically located beneath your steering wheel. Once connected, power on the scan tool. The FOXWELL NT909 scan tool offers a plethora of features that make it stand out. Here are some of the highlights. Full OBD2 functionality, it supports all 10 OBD-I test modes, including live data, readiness status, freeze frame, and more. Wide vehicle coverage. The NT909 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including OBD2 and EOBD-compliant vehicles, SUVs, light trucks, and 12 volts diesel cars. Large color screen. The 4.0-inch color display is clear and easy to read, ensuring you can access and interpret data without squinting. DTC Lookup. Get a better understanding of diagnostic trouble codes DTCs. With the built-in DTC library, it provides detailed explanations for quick and accurate troubleshooting, data recording and playback. The tool allows you to record data during diagnosis and play it back, helping you pinpoint intermittent issues. Using the FOXWELL NT909 scan tool is straightforward. Once it's connected to your vehicle, you can read and clear codes. The scan tool can quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, helping you identify and fix issues in no time. Live data. Access real-time data from your vehicle's sensors, allowing you to monitor engine performance, fuel efficiency, and more. View freeze frame data. Check the snapshot of your vehicle's operating conditions at the moment a DTC is triggered. I/M readiness test. Quickly determine if your vehicle is ready for an emissions test. Staying up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostics is crucial. The FOXWELL NT909 scan tool can be easily updated using the included USB cable. This ensures you have the most accurate information at your fingertips. Here are some additional pros and cons that I found from user reviews. Pros of the FOXWELL NT909 scan tool. Comprehensive diagnostic coverage for all systems and vehicles. Bidirectional control for active tests and ECU coding. Key programming and matching for selected vehicles. 8-inch touchscreen display with Android 9 operating system. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity. 2-year free software update. Cons of the FOXWELL NT909 scan tool. Expensive. Key programming function only works for selected vehicles. Some users have reported issues with connectivity and software updates. Overall, the FOXWELL NT909 is a powerful and versatile scan tool that can be used by professional mechanics and DIYers alike. It offers a wide range of features and functions, including bidirectional control, ECU coding, and key programming for select vehicles. However, it is also one of the more expensive scan tools on the market, and some users have reported issues with connectivity and software updates. If you're interested in the FOXWELL NT909 scan tool, we've provided a link in the video description where you can find more information and purchase one for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest automotive reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching and happy diagnosing!